My name is Heather Renetzky, and I'm in Shana Dalet in the rabbinical program. One of the many people who really helped me on this path and sent me on this path is Rabbi Moshe Rothblum, who was my childhood rabbi and really better known to me then and now because he directed our youth group musicals. So I knew him mostly in that capacity, and he saw me give a speech at shul on a Saturday morning, and he came up to me afterward and he said, "You know, you looked pretty comfortable up there, nudge, nudge. You might want to think about being a rabbi." And this was when I was in like 10th, 11th grade. And I totally laughed it off and also thought it was the most incredible compliment I'd ever received. And it had a way of sticking with me. And to this day, I still have on my wall a letter taped up. He would write each of us that were in these plays a letter at the end of the production to thank us and give us encouragement. And he wrote in the letter, "You can do many things as a rabbi, including direct plays." So he really believed in me, and while I don't know if directing plays is at all in my future, the fact that he gave me that idea kind of stuck with me and contributed to my decision to go to rabbinical school.